How to change your WhatsApp QR code. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can change or reset your WhatsApp QR code. In order to do that procedure, you have to make sure that the application is completely updated. Head over to your Play Store and then update the application. After the application is completely updated, tap the WhatsApp application and then log in into your account. Once you're logged in, that's going to take you to this page. Here, tap the three dot icon and go to settings. Then you'll be promoted to this settings page. Next to your display name, you'll be able to see your QR code. Just go ahead and tap the QR code, and this is the QR code that other people can scan it and add you on WhatsApp. However, in order to reset it, tap the three dot icon and click on reset QR code, and you'll be able to see this option as reset. Let's go ahead and tap on it, and then the previous QR code has been reset and then a new QR code has been created. So that is how you can actually reset WhatsApp QR code. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.